Okay, so here we have obviously a dirty microfiber towel. One of the biggest mistakes people do is they throw it away instead of just cleaning it with Purple Blaster. So we have here a bucket of water, just plain old water. We just wet it, rinsed it. Obviously you can still see it's dirty. So what we do is we just spray the Purple Blaster on both sides. We'll just rub it together. Start rubbing it together. And we'll soak it. There you have it. Brand new looking microfiber towel. Simply with just the Purple Blaster.